Danny Koker, also known as The Count, is a successful businessman and television personality best known for his work on the History Channel's hit show, Counting Cars. In addition to his television career, Koker is also a successful entrepreneur with a variety of businesses in the automotive and entertainment industries. In this article, we will explore Danny Koker's net worth, how he has achieved his success, and the lessons we can learn from his journey. Net worth of Danny Koker. As of 2021, Danny Koker's net worth is estimated to be around $13 million. The majority of his wealth comes from his television career, particularly his work on Counting Cars. Koker is also the owner of several businesses, including Count's Customs, Count's Vampede Rock Bar and Grill, and Count's Tattoo Company. These ventures have contributed significantly to his net worth. How he built his net worth. Danny Koker's career began in the automotive industry. He grew up in a family of mechanics and developed a love for cars at a young age. After high school, Koker went to work for his father's auto repair shop. He quickly gained a reputation as an expert in the field, and soon began customizing cars for his own clients. In the early 2000s, Koker opened his own auto restoration and customization shop, Count's Customs. The business quickly gained a reputation for its high-quality work, and Koker's client list grew to include celebrities and wealthy collectors. In 2012, Koker was approached by the History Channel to star in a reality show based on his business. The show, Counting Cars, follows Koker and his team as they restore and customize classic cars. The show has been a huge success and has made Koker a household name. In addition to his television career and auto business, Koker is also the owner of Count's Vampede Rock Bar and Grill, a popular restaurant and music venue in Las Vegas, and Count's Tattoo Company, a tattoo parlor also located in Las Vegas. Danny Koker's success can be attributed to several factors. First and foremost, he has a passion for his work. Koker has been obsessed with cars since he was a child, and has dedicated his life to mastering his craft. He has also been able to turn his passion into a successful business, by providing high-quality work and building a loyal client base. Koker is also known for his attention to detail and his commitment to quality. He takes pride in every project he works on, and is always striving to improve his skills and techniques. This dedication to quality has helped him build a reputation as one of the best in the business. Another key factor in Koker's success is his ability to diversify his income streams. In addition to his auto business, he has also invested in a restaurant and a tattoo parlor. By diversifying his business interests, Koker has been able to create multiple sources of income and build a more stable financial future. Overall, Danny Koker's success can be attributed to his passion for his work, his commitment to quality, and his ability to diversify his income streams. By following these principles, anyone can achieve success in their chosen field.